In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Slack. This integration will streamline your scheduling process and keep your team in the loop about appointments and meetings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your Calendly account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see various options, and what you're looking for is labeled Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be taken to a list of different applications available for integration. If you don't see Slack on the initial view, don't worry. Just click on Show All to expand the selection, and you should find Slack without any trouble. Once you've located Slack in the list, click on it. You'll see an option that says Add Slack, and you'll want to select that as well. This will initiate the integration process between your Calendly and your Slack account. At this point, a new window will pop up asking you to connect your accounts. This is crucial because it allows Calendly to communicate with Slack and notify you about your scheduled events. You should see a button that says Allow. Go ahead and click on that. By clicking Allow, you're authorizing the integration, ensuring that all the necessary permissions are granted for Calendly and Slack to work together smoothly. After you allow the integration, Calendly will redirect you, and here's something to note. If you have the Slack desktop app installed, it may prompt you to open it. This is perfectly normal and just a part of the process to ensure that your settings sync properly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have successfully integrated Calendly with Slack. Now, whenever you schedule a meeting through Calendly, you will receive notifications directly in your Slack channel. This integration keeps everyone on your team updated in real time, which is super helpful for collaboration. If you ever need to adjust the settings or manage how notifications appear, you can easily do that by returning to the Slack integration settings in your Calendly dashboard. There, you'll find options to customize the alerts you receive, or even which channel in Slack should get the notifications. If you have any questions or run into issues during the integration process, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. Remember, maximizing your tools like Calendly and Slack can significantly enhance productivity and communication within your team. So there you have it. You've not only learned how to integrate Calendly with Slack, but you've also taken a step towards a more organized and efficient workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing so you won't miss out on any future tips and tricks aimed at boosting your productivity.